Just like how Samsung ships with Bixby as their personal virtual assistant, they also have their own personal app store. This is something that they call Galaxy Apps. And you're going to first find this in the app drawer in the Samsung folder. I have since pulled it out to the home screen for easier access. The Galaxy Apps store, just like the Google Play Store, will send you notifications about a bunch of different things, whether it's app updates or promotions, marketing material, suggested application installs, whatever it may be. So today I want to show you how to prevent the Galaxy Apps store on the Galaxy Note 9 from sending those notifications. Now to do this, we start off by opening up the Galaxy Apps application. And then we're just going to look up here at the top right and tap the three-dot menu so that we can go into the settings. Now if you wanted to, from here we can also turn off auto update on these Galaxy apps. But for now we're just going to focus on the notifications. So if you wanted to just block marketing information, you can do that with that toggle. And as always, I can recommend you keep require passwords for purchases, but that's totally up to you. Again, for now, we're just going to focus on the notifications. So tap on notifications. And then we're going to see a bunch of different toggles here for the various notifications that this application sends. So if you just wanted to disable general notifications, you could do that with that toggle. If you wanted to disable notifications for downloads, you can do that with that toggle. But if you wanted to completely turn off all notifications from Galaxy Apps, mainly because you don't use it, like me, I have no use for applications in the Galaxy Apps store, I just need to tap on this top toggle to turn off the notifications completely. Now, as you can see, notifications from this app are now blocked, and I will no longer receive any kind of messages about suggested updates, suggested applications that we need to install, or any kind of marketing material, simply by toggling this feature off in the settings area of the Galaxy Apps store application on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9.